Hello parents and students alike. I think this video may be more helpful for parents than for students actually, because I'm going to show you how to multiply using the partial product method. This is used for multiplying larger numbers, not your just no facts like your times tables up to 12 times 12. This is for more challenging problems, and this is not the way that most of us learned in our generation growing up. So I thought maybe this would be helpful for the parents out there. So we're going to start with a problem like 24 times 25. And we can think about 24 as 20 plus 4 more, and 25 as 20 plus 5 more. And you'll see why it's handy to do that in just a minute. So we're going to create a grid here, and we're going to have part of our grid be the tens place, and part of our grid be the ones place. And then down this side, same thing. We'll have a tens place and we'll have a ones place. And we're going to break up that 24 and 25 into tens and ones, kind of like I've done right here in this line. So 24 has 20 in the tens place. I mean, it's two tens, but we're going to use the number 20 that represents, the two tens represent 20. And we'll put the 4 over here so that 20 plus 4 equals 24. You don't have to write the 20 plus 4 equals 24. I'm just like trying to be really explicit about where the 20 and the 4 are coming from in our problem. And then along the side, we can put the 25. We have a 20 and we have a 5. And then parents, maybe you've seen an array sort of like this. If you're into science, a Punnett Square looks like this when you're calculating the probability of certain genetic situations. We're going to multiply so that we have a product, an answer in each of these 4 boxes, and then we'll add them together. So 20 times 20, I know 2 times 2 is 4, so 20 times 20 would be 400. 20 times 4, 2 times 4 is 8, so 20 times 4 would be 80. 5 times 20, I know because I know about money that 20 nickels is $1. So 20 times 5 is 100, and 4 times 5 is a just no fact, that's 20. So these are all parts of my eventual product. A product is an answer to a multiplication problem, and these are parts of that answer, so these are the partial products. So I'm going to add them up. 400 plus 100 plus 80 plus 20. And I get 100, 200 plus 4 more, 600. So my answer is 600. Okay, we'll do another one down here. 32 times 19. Well, 32 can be split into 30 and 2 more, and 19 can be split into 10 and 9. And so you'll see why it's nice that we split them into like nice even tens, because those are easy to solve mentally, like multiplication problems. 30 times 19 or 10, 30 times 19 is hard to solve, but 30 times 10, not bad. 30 times 9, not bad. So students are taught to break apart numbers into their tens and ones and then multiply and add the pieces together. 10 times 30, I know 1 times 3 is 3, so 10 times 30 is 300. 9 times 30 would be 270. 2 times 10 is 20, and 9 times 2 is 18, and then I can add those together. So that gives me 570, plus another 20 is 590, plus another 18 is 608. So you'll notice in this second problem I didn't go through like actually writing out what the parts of 32 and 19 were. Your students might not do that either, they don't have to. And you'll see that I added a little differently here. I added piece by piece, where up above I just listed them all and added all at once. Your students can do it either way. So I hope that's helpful, and maybe helps you help your students with their homework a little bit, or understand when they say, that's not how I learned it. And keep watching for a future video on how partial product relates to the standard algorithm, which is the method that we used when we were growing up.